Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now let us see how to solve this given question. Here we need to evaluate integral 2 cos x plus 3 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Okay. Whenever an integral of this is of this form, I mean there is sine and cos in the just sine and cos in the numerator and sine and cos in the denominator. If this is the case, fine. How do we do this is we take the numerator as a into derivative of denominator plus b into denominator. Fine. Once again I'm repeating. See, this is my question. What we do is we try to write this numerator as like a into derivative of denominator plus b into derivative of a into derivative of denominator plus b into denominator. Fine. Otherwise I'll say it like this: a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator. Fine. Let's go ahead. Next, so derivative of cos x is minus sin x and derivative of sin x is cos x. Fine. That's all, and keep this bracket as it is. Fine. One thing I forgot, just mark the first one as 1 because we will need it. Next, basic simplification. This would be nothing but a into 4. So 4a and minus is also there. So minus 4a sin x plus a is coming. So 5a cos x. Fine. Next, so b into 4 cos x is nothing but 4b cos x, and likewise b into 5 sin x is nothing but 5b sin x. Fine. Now if you see, there is a sin x term here, I mean this and this. Fine. And there are two cos x terms, this and this. Fine. Now what to do? What to do is we just take sin x common in these two terms and then cos x common in these two terms. If you see in the LHS, there is 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. So fine, first let us write cos x terms first, and then after that let's keep sin x. Fine. So if I were to do that, I took cos x common. If I take cos x common in these two terms, I'll get 5a plus 4b into cos x. Likewise, if I'll take sin x common in this term and this term, I'll get minus 4a plus 5b, fine, into sin x. All good. I hope things are clear up to now. Now what we are going to do is we are going to compare the coefficients of cos x and sin x. Fine. If you see, beside cos x I have 5a plus 4b. Here beside cos x I have 2. Therefore 5a plus 4b is nothing but 2. Okay. Next, beside sin x I have minus 4a plus 5b, and beside sin x I have here 3. So these are the two things which I got. Fine. Now just basic simplification. Okay. Bring this 2 to the LHS, likewise bring this 3 to the LHS. I mean, then it would be 5a plus 4b minus 2 equal to 0, and then minus 4a plus 5b minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. And then I'm going to solve these two. Fine. You could solve it in, like, there are many ways. You could use elimination method, you could use substitution method. Fine, it's up to you. What I generally prefer is something like the crisscross method, which we know. What we do is, in case if it's new to you also, you will understand. See, first here our variables are a and b. Fine. I need to find out a and b. So first write down a, b, and then put 1. Fine. Next, in the first equation, start with the coefficient of b. Okay. Beside b, what I have? 4. So first write down 4 here. It should be to the left of a. It should be to here. Fine. Next, to the right of a, and in between a and b I'll write minus 2, then again come here, then 5, then again come here, then 4. Fine. Now next, likewise in the second equation also, start with the coefficient of b. Here I have 5, so 5 minus 3 minus 4 and 5. Okay, chalo. Now what I'd get is a divided by 4 into minus 3 minus 5 into minus 2. This is what I get. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12, minus 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. That's what I have here. Fine. Next, Now b divided by is equal to b divided by minus 2 into minus 4, which is nothing but plus 8, minus 3 into 5 is minus 15. So b divided by 8 minus of minus 15. That's what I would have here. All good. Next, this is equal to 1 divided by 5 5s are 25 minus 4 into 4 is minus 16. So 25 minus of minus 16. Fine. In case if you feel that I'm going a bit slow, you can increase this video speed to 1.25 or 1.5. It's up to you. Fine. But I feel like I need to go a little bit so slow so that many of you can understand. Fine. Chalo, now basic simplification. So see, minus into minus of minus is plus. So like minus 12 minus of minus 10 would be minus 12 plus 10, and this would be 8 plus 15. This is what you are going to see, and this will be 25 plus 16. This is what you are going to see in the next step. Fine. Next, minus 12 plus 10 is nothing but minus 2. Okay, and 8 plus 15 is 23, and 25 plus 16 is 41. All good. Chalo, now let me take a by minus 2 is equal to 1 by 41. Fine. A by minus 2 is equal to 1 by 41. Separate, and b by 23 is equal to 1 by 41. So that I can get a and b simultaneously. Fine. So send this minus 2 here, so I'll get a is equal to minus 2 by 41. Send this 23 here, so I'll get b as 23 by 41. All good. Okay, chalo. So now in case you guys remember, okay, from write it down from 1. This is what I did. If you remember, see, what was our 1? I told you to mark something as 1. Okay. Sorry for this, since there are many animations, it will take time. Yeah, this is what I got my a and b. So I'm just substituting a and b in this equation. Fine, I'm just substituting a and b in this equation. If I were to do that, I'll be getting this a and b values I just kept there. Fine, this is what I got. Okay, so this is what I have. So minus 2 by 41 d by dx of this plus 23 by 41 to this 4 cos x plus. Fine. Now let's come to our integral. What we need to find out. So basically you understood, like this 2 cos x plus 3 sin x, I can write it like this. That's what I'm going to use while I'm going to integrate. Fine. I hope you guys are able to follow me. So instead of this, I'm writing what I just got. Okay, I'm writing what I just got. Fine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the denominator. I'm going to split the denominator to both. Likewise, I'm also going to give the integral to both as well. I mean, I can integrate them separately. I'm going to integrate them separately, not in one shot. So if I were to do that, split the denominator, also integrate separately. So this is what I'd get, like minus 2 by 41 derivative of this by this, and plus 23 by 41 into this by this. I hope things are clear. Fine. Any doubts, please come in the comments box. I'll try my best to help you out there. Chalo. Now I did not do anything much. I just wrote this minus 2 by 41 here. Since this is a constant, this can be brought outside of the integral. Fine. Now if you see, and this 23 by 41 also can be brought out outside the integral. Now if you see, here I have 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Here also I have 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. So these two would cancel out each other. Ultimately, I'm left out with 1. Okay. Fine. Cancel out in the sense like 1. I mean, I hope you guys get me. Fine. Chalo. Now, in indefinite integration, like there is this formula, you could say. What does that means? Okay, see this. Whenever, just observe this. Don't go to the answer right now. Just observe what I am explaining. See, whenever there is an integral in which of this form, which is of this form, which form? Integral f dash of x by f of x, means like there is an integral in which in the numerator we have derivative of f of x, and in the denominator we have f of x. That means the function is in the denominator and its derivative is in the numerator. Whenever we come across an integral like this. Now if you see, this exactly matches with what we have here. See, we have the denominator here, and in the numerator I have derivative of that denominator. Fine, it's matching exactly. In that case, what would my answer be? My answer would be log mod f of x plus c, means basically log mod denominator. Here my denominator is 4 cos x plus 5 sin x, so log mod this, and minus 2 by 41 is already there, and integration constant because we completed our integration. Fine, that's it. Thank you very much for staying with me up till now. Okay, in case you like this video, please hit the like button. It will encourage me to make many more of such videos. And not just this question, I've made other questions related to indefinite integration as well, and some other topics as well. Please do check out the description for other links. Fine. And in case this is your first time coming across to my channel, please do subscribe to it. Thank you.